We're at the University of Waterloo, the North Campus here, and we're looking at an area where previous ENBS 200 students have planted trees. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how the students do the tree monitoring. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the bottom of on the ground here, and we're going to look for the tree tag so you can see the mulch here. And sometimes you have to look around a little bit to actually find that tree tag. And here it is. So I'll just bring this up so you can see it. So this tree tag says DRO 66 F 2015. So for monitoring, the first thing we'll do is measure the diameter at the root collar. So you can see we'll use this caliper here, and you can see how it slides back and forth here, which will give us a measurement for the diameter. So I've got the caliper placed here around the base of the shrub. So you can see from here that the diameter is approximately 5 millimeters. Okay, so finally now we are going to measure the height of the shrub. So what we do here is we look at the top of the woody part. We're not measuring to the top of the leaf here. We're actually looking at the top of the woody part here. So if we look about where my thumb is here, it looks like it's about 67.5 centimeters tall. So finally, before we're done, we're going to take a quick look at the shrub just to see if there's anything worth noting. So you can see there are a couple of dead shoots here, so that's worth noting. Also, whether it's browsed at all, it looks actually in very good shape right now. It's growing really well. Looking down just to see if there's anything we need to clean up inside the cage itself. So maybe removing a few of the weeds that are growing around it just to make sure that it has no competition and can grow well.